Terraform basic commands. So Terraform having the three different commands which are more baseline, where we have to use the Terraform commands. So they are easy to understand how Terraform works using this command. So there are no anything else apart from these commands, so you can understand how Terraform works. So the first command is Terraform is a Terraform plan. So Terraform plan what do? So Terraform plan will execute your script and will try to understand what things and what resources are going to create. So it will get output in terms of what things are going to create. It will not create actual resource, but it will find out that what resources are going to create. So the first thing is the plan show you what will be happen. You can save plan to guarantee what will be happen. So in case you want to you don't want to differ from your plan, so you can save your plan and you can execute same plan to your apply command for creation of resource. Plan show reason for certain actions. So in case of any modification, in case of any destroy resource, it will show the why the resource is modified, why the resource is destroyed. Prior to Terraform, user had to guess the change, ordering, parallelization and rollout effect. So in case of no Terraform, you have to understand the sequence of your creation of resource, where you have to maintain the sequence. You cannot handle the parallelization because multiple resources you cannot create, and the rollout effect. So in case you want to roll out, so you have to handle that rollout effect, because the resource rollout will be impact some other resource dependencies. So in Terraform plan, you can see there are some of different icons, where the plus indicates the resource creation, minus indicates the resource destroy. Tilde sign will be show that the updation of resource, and the plus minus will show that destroy and recreate of resource. That we'll see in our demos, where you can find out all these resource plus minus tilde or plus minus. Okay, so this is the image where we can see the plan impact. So you can see there are resource are creation, where the AWS instance are created, and you can see the one plan having the 1 to add, 0 to change and 0 to destroy. That means your one item is going to add and no change and no destroy. So in case you can see here, this is showing that what resources are going to create, not the actual resources are created. So still your apply is pending. Okay, the next command is apply. So apply will what do? So it's a Terraform apply will actual resource will be created based on your script. So it executes and desired the state. So basically your script will be run, and that script will be applied in real time your resource. Parallelization change will when it possible. So it will make the parallelization change when it's required. So you don't have to worry about the parallelization or sequencing of your resource implementation. It handles and recover transit error safely. So basically in case of any issues, it will handle implicitly, and it once the plan will be completed, it will show the final status. So plan the state of the target, update existing resource and recreate resource if the resource are not allowed to the update. So the first there are the confusion where the some of people are not getting the right way. So in case the resource are already exist, Terraform will take actions based on the resource condition. So if resource is allowed to update, then Terraform will be update. If the resource are not allowed to update, Terraform will be recreate. So this is the plans apply look like. So you can see apply when it will create the plan and apply together. So when you pass the confirmation, and it will create your resource. So once it's done, it will show the how many resources added, how many resources are change and how many resources are destroyed. You can see at the bottom of line. So this is the how looks like the code change once its plan is high level C. The plan will be showing the how the new resource are going to create. It will show the force new resource are creating, and apply will be show that one resource are added and one resource are destroyed. So in case of any changes, you will find the flow like this. Terraform destroy. Terraform destroy is basically removing the all infrastructure are created by the Terraform. So Terraform will be removed all resource which created by the Terraform. It not touched to infrastructure which are not managed by Terraform. So how Terraform destroy looks? It looks like this. You can see. So there are one resource are destroyed. You can see at the end of it, it will find that which resource you have destroyed. So you can see at the end of line, it one resource are destroyed, and this is the instance ID which it's destroying. So in next session, we will try to understand how Terraform plan, apply and destroy works.